Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Audi TT RS versus the Dodge Hellcat. We'll dive into what makes each of these performance machines unique, from their engine characteristics to their driving dynamics. Understanding these differences will help you decide which car better suits your driving style and needs. Let's explore their distinct personalities. When it comes to sheer power, the Hellcat Supercharged V8 engine delivers over 700 horsepower, making it a drag strip monster. The TT RS, with its unique 5-cylinder engine, offers 400 horsepower and a more balanced power delivery. This difference means the Hellcat dominates in a straight line, while the TT RS offers a more agile and precise driving experience. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can help you build financial independence. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. The driving experience truly sets these two apart. The Audi TT RS, with its quattro all-wheel drive, offers exceptional grip and confidence, especially in varied conditions. The Hellcat, on the other hand, is a rear-wheel drive beast that requires a more experienced hand to manage its immense power. One is a precision instrument, the other a thrilling, untamed force. Beyond performance, practicality and cost are key factors. The TT RS generally offers better fuel economy and a more comfortable ride for daily commuting. Hellcat ownership often comes with higher expenses for fuel and tires, given its powerful engine. Consider your budget for both purchase and ongoing maintenance when making your decision. Both offer distinct value propositions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.